Hello, I'm Adum Otabel Jemima. Welcome to my English class. Today's lesson, we are going to learn about morphemes. Morphemes. We have the contents of the morpheme. They are introduction to morpheme, types of morphemes, and applications of the morpheme. Introduction to a morpheme. The morpheme is the first rank according to the constituents of a relation, and the last rank according to a consist of a relation into the rank scale. Definitions of a morpheme. A morpheme is the smallest meaningful grammatical unit in a language. It consists of linguistic elements that cannot be broken into further units. We can identify a morpheme by three
Types of morphemes. 1. We can identify a morpheme by three criteria. 1. It is a word or part of a word that has meaning. 2. It cannot be divided into smaller, meaningful parts without meaningless reminders. 3. It reoccurs in differing words environments with a relatively stable meaning. Example, in English, the word stop cannot be broken into further. We can identify a morpheme by three criteria. It is a word or part of a word that has meaning. It cannot be divided into smaller meaningful parts without meaningless reminders. 3. It reoccurs in different words environments with a relatively stable meaning. Examples, in English, the word stop cannot be broken into further units, so it is a morpheme. In the same way, the following word can be considered morpheme: cat, it, work, if, and, to, table, etc. Types of morphemes. 1. Free morpheme. 2. Bound morpheme. 3. Full and empty morpheme. 4. Suffix and suffix. 5. Noun morphemes. 6. Bound or root morphemes. There are two basic types of morpheme, which are morpheme. Under it we have free, we have bound. Under the noun morpheme we have inflectional, we have derivation. Under the derivation we have class change, we also have class maintaining. Under the free morpheme we have lexical. After lexical we have grammatical, which we have pronoun, articles, conjunction, preposition. Free morphemes. It is a kind of morpheme which makes sense on its own. Types of free morpheme. I. Lexical morpheme. I are functional or grammatical morphemes. Example, eat, teach, date, week, work, etc. We move on to bound morphemes. They are kind of morphemes that cannot make sense on its own. Types of bound morphemes. We have inflectional morphemes, we have durational morphemes. Example, we have dance, we have works, we have bosses, we have woman, etc. Identify the number of morphemes in a given word. In English, the word stopped is a composed of two morphemes, stop plus the past tense maker, that is stop plus the id. In the same vein, the word walked is a composed of two morphemes. You have the walk plus the past tense maker, that is walked. Simply, we can say that we went out to morpheme. Application of morphemes. Morphemes are important for phonetic in both reading and spelling, as well as in vocabulary and comprehension. Try your hands on these questions. Explain the term morphemes in your own words. 2. State some example of morpheme. 3. Try and identify the number of morphemes in the above stated examples. 4. Memorize the type of morphemes. 5. Pair your understanding, figure the importance of morphemes. Thanks for watching this lesson. Please subscribe. Thanks.